going to jump back into atom structure and atomic mass. So, atoms are made up of three types of subatomic particles, and this is where we get more into why our periodic table is built the way it is. Atoms all are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positive because they are pro-everything. Neutrons are nothing. They are neutral because they are neutral people. Electrons are negative because why not? Everyone else is sort of positive or nothing. I'll be the opposite. They're negative. Now, relative mass. Protons essentially provide a mass of 1. Don't worry about what that is, 1 gram, 1 microgram. Don't worry, it's nothing. We're just calling it 1. There's no units here. We call it 1. It's one of the few times I'll ever say there's no units. Neutrons, what do they supply? 1. Same thing, 1. Electrons, what do they supply? Electrons supply 1 over 1,800. So you know what that means? That means absolutely nothing. They supply nothing. There is no mass that we say. So we say it's negligible mass from electrons, so they don't go towards the mass. The charge. The charge of a proton, positive, neutrons, neutral, electrons, negative. However, the charge are equal. 1 proton equals 1 electron in charge. So if I have 1 proton and 1 electron, they cancel each other out and I'm neutral. Really important. Despite the fact the masses are different, they are equal. Location is really important. Protons and neutrons are found in the nucleus. They make up the mass. Your mass is purely the nucleus of your atom. The electrons are found in the shells, which are surrounding the atom. So as you can see here, kind of too far, coming back, you have your nucleus in the middle here. So right here, this is your nucleus. Oh, I was on the wrong page. That's your nucleus. These are your shells. So notice how this shell has 2, this shell has 3. So therefore, given the fact that protons and neutrons are just wrong, there's probably more electrons around here. I'm not even going to say what this molecule is because it's probably just wrong. Nonetheless, but as you can see, this would be a non-full outer shell. It wants to have 8. It doesn't have 8, it's only got 3, so it's not happy. But nonetheless, as you can see here, this is your mass of your molecule. This is your relative atomic mass. That's where you get that from.